all my Juki friends. My name is Alba and I am a trainer for Juki America. Today I want to share with you one of the Juki sergers, one of the newer Juki sergers actually. Today I'm going to be talking about the MO-2800. Isn't she just absolutely beautiful? But outside of looking beautiful, I want to go over some of the key features in what made me fall in love with this machine. First of all, you may notice that there is a knee lift on the machine. And what the knee lift does as you're sewing, it raises and lowers the foot, which can be really handy when you're working with corners or any other areas. I'm going to remove that knee lift, but I wanted you to see what that knee lift looks like. What a great thing to add a knee lift to a serger to make it easy. Now the MO-2800 is a 2-thread, 3-thread, and 4-thread serger. And it is that easy threading air thread capability. So what that means is, with a push of a button and a jet of air, your lower and upper looper are instantly threaded. I love the fact that my tools that I require for the serger have a spot and a home right on that inside cover. And one of the safety features, because Juki does pay attention to safety features in their machine, the machine will not run if that door is open or the foot is up. Isn't that just absolutely wonderful? Now, the one feature that I fell in love with, I'm going to be honest with you, is that needle threader. Now, I'm just going to turn the machine slightly so you could see that needle threader, and it threads your right and left needle. I absolutely love not having to fuss with tweezers, a magnifying glass, or getting an extra pair of glasses to thread my needles. Now, the other feature I want to show you is going to be a little bit difficult to show, but hopefully you will be able to follow along. I do have a stitch width adjustment where I can move my knife to the right and to the left. Normally, that is the only way that you can adjust your stitches. But on the MO-2800, I have an independent adjustment to also move my stitch finger independently of my knife, really allowing for perfect stitches, especially on those super fine, delicate, lacy knits that I find such a hard time getting that perfect stitch. Juki has thought of it all. Now, a roll hem is something that I do, and this machine handles a very sheer fabric to my home deck fabrics, so we could handle a wide variety of fabrics. But when I switch to a rolled hem, I have this quick, easy tweak that allows me to get that picture perfect rolled hem as well. I've gone over some of the features on the MO-2800. Please reach out to your local dealer and get a really nice look at this machine and test it out for yourself. I think you'll love it as much as I do. Until next time, bye-bye.